Hello class and welcome to week 15 of English 101 Online. It is really hard to believe that this is the very last week of English 101 Online for this semester. I want to highlight two major things that will be happening for the remainder of the week and the remainder of the semester, of course. You've been working on the GREAT essay, or the GREATS essay, and this week you'll have the peer review that'll be due at the middle of the week and the essay due near the end of the week. So please take a look at the calendar for more specific dates for that. In your GREAT essay, you're asked to choose any form of someone who represents any form of artistic expression. And so you can choose an artist from any genre, such as music, film, literature, fashion, art, technology, and so forth. And your job is to create a thesis that argues for the enduring popularity of his or her work. Analyze this person's career. Why have they contributed the way that they have to this genre that you've chosen? Why is this creative expression so valuable? Apply Klosterman's concepts to your analysis and argue in favor of the enduring importance of this person's work. Why will people of the future remember this individual as representative of an entire genre of creativity? Explain why the artist of your choosing is the quote-unquote John Philip Sousa of his or her genre. Like the way Klosterman argues that Sousa represents all of the marching band music and Bob Marley represents all of reggae. So again, you're choosing someone from any genre, and then you're going to be writing 4 to 6 pages, double-spaced. I prefer Times New Roman. And then you'll be adding a works cited page with your complete list of your citation in MLA. Please take a look at that. Make sure to do a hanging indent of each of your sources. Make sure that they're double-spaced as well. And you need to have a minimum of 5 sources, and one of your sources should be a non-text source. That means you're going to embed a photo or a cartoon of that person. That cartoon or that photo or whatever that tool is, whatever it is that you choose to use to embed in your essay, make sure it's prominent, that it's at the top of the page of your essay so that the reader is able to see, because you're going to be analyzing this person's work. Well, I hope this was helpful. Goodbye.